Cost control in project management is not merely about keeping expenses within a budget, but it's a comprehensive approach that ensures project success financially and operationally. It involves the meticulous planning, monitoring, and managing of every dollar spent in a project. This practice helps project managers to avoid cost overruns, which can jeopardize project success. Effective cost control strategies are essential for maintaining profitability and sustainability in any project. Understanding the dynamics of cost control requires a deep dive into various strategies, such as budget planning, cost estimation, risk management, and variance analysis. Each of these components plays a critical role in the overarching process of cost management. By mastering these elements, project managers can provide more accurate forecasts, make better decisions, and ultimately deliver projects that meet financial and performance targets. Cost control is also about predicting potential financial risks and finding ways to mitigate them before they become actual problems. This proactive approach to financial management in projects requires a blend of technical skills, analytical tools, and an understanding of the project environment. It's a skill set that becomes increasingly vital as projects grow in complexity and scale. In this essay, we will explore the various facets of cost control in project management, emphasizing practical strategies and tools that can aid project managers in their endeavors. Each section will provide insights and actionable tips to help you master the art of cost control. The significance of cost control in project management cannot be overstated. It is the backbone of financial stability and project success. Without effective cost control measures, projects can quickly become financially unviable, consuming resources at unsustainable rates. This can lead to project delays, compromised quality, and even complete project failure. Therefore, understanding and implementing robust cost control measures is crucial for any project manager. Effective cost control allows for the efficient use of resources, ensuring that every dollar spent contributes directly to the project's objectives. It helps project managers to align project expenses with planned budgets, which is critical in maintaining stakeholder confidence and securing future project funding. Moreover, it provides a clear framework for decision-making, where financial metrics help guide the strategic directions of the project. Additionally, cost control is intimately tied to project scope management. Changes in project scope often lead to cost variances. By maintaining stringent control over costs, project managers can more effectively manage scope changes, preventing them from derailing the project. This tight interplay between cost and scope underscores the importance of cost control in achieving project objectives. Furthermore, in today's competitive business environment, the ability to manage costs effectively provides a significant competitive advantage. It not only improves profitability but also enhances the reputation of the organization, positioning it as reliable and efficient. Thus, mastering cost control techniques is essential for any successful project manager. A budget planning is the first critical step in effective cost control. It sets the financial blueprint of the project, outlining the expected costs and revenues associated with the project's activities. This plan serves as a benchmark against which actual performance can be measured. A well-prepared budget is comprehensive, realistic, and aligned with the project's goals, ensuring that all financial resources are appropriately allocated. The process of budget planning involves several key activities: defining the scope of the project, identifying all possible costs, forecasting revenues, and setting contingency reserves for unforeseen expenses. Each of these activities requires careful consideration and precision, as inaccuracies in the budget can lead to significant financial discrepancies during project execution. Effective budget planning also demands collaboration among various stakeholders. This includes project sponsors, team members, and finance professionals. Their insights and expertise contribute to a more accurate and feasible budget. Furthermore, involving team members in the budget planning process can enhance their commitment to staying within the budget, as they feel a sense of ownership over the financial goals of the project. Moreover, budget planning is not a one-time task. It requires continuous revision and adjustment throughout the project lifecycle. As new information emerges and project conditions change, the budget must be updated to reflect the new reality. This dynamic approach to budget planning allows for better responsiveness to project challenges and opportunities, thereby enhancing the overall financial control of the project. Cost estimation is another cornerstone of effective cost control in project management. It involves predicting the costs associated with each component of the project, from materials and labor to indirect costs such as administration and overhead. Accurate cost estimations are crucial because they inform the budget planning process and help in setting realistic financial expectations. The process of cost estimation requires a deep understanding of the project's requirements and the resources needed to fulfill them. It often employs various techniques such as parametric estimating, which uses statistical relationships between historical data and current project variables, and bottom-up estimating, which builds cost estimates from individual elements up to a total project cost. Each method has its strengths and is chosen based on the project specifics and the accuracy required. Effective cost estimation also involves a degree of foresight. It requires anticipating potential changes in project scope or market conditions that could affect costs. This forward-looking approach helps in creating flexible cost estimates that can accommodate changes without compromising the project's financial integrity. Moreover, cost estimation is not solely the responsibility of the project manager. It often involves cross-functional teams, including finance experts, engineers, and supply chain managers, each contributing their expertise to ensure that estimates are comprehensive and robust. This collaborative approach not only improves the accuracy of cost estimates, but also fosters a shared understanding of project costs across the team. Monitoring is the continuous process of tracking the actual project costs against the budgeted costs. This practice is vital for early detection of any discrepancies that could lead to budget overruns. Effective monitoring provides the project manager with real-time data, enabling timely decisions to rectify any deviations from the planned budget. The monitoring process involves regular review meetings, detailed cost reports, and the use of project management software tools that provide dashboards and visual representations of financial data. These tools help in identifying trends and patterns that might not be apparent from raw data, allowing for deeper insights into cost performance. Furthermore, effective monitoring relies heavily on the accuracy and timeliness of cost information. Project managers must ensure that all financial transactions related to the project are recorded and reported promptly. This includes costs incurred from third-party vendors, payroll, and material purchases. Accurate record-keeping is essential for maintaining a clear picture of the project's financial health. Additionally, monitoring is not just about tracking costs, but also involves assessing the value generated by the expenditures. This aspect of cost control is about understanding the cost-benefit ratio of project activities. It helps in determining whether the project is on track to deliver the expected value to stakeholders, thus aligning financial management with project performance. Variance analysis is a critical tool in cost control, used to understand the reasons behind cost deviations from the budget. This analysis helps in identifying whether cost variances are due to changes in project scope, errors in cost estimation, or inefficiencies in resource allocation. By understanding the root causes of variances, project managers can implement corrective actions to bring project costs back in line with the budget. The process of variance analysis involves comparing planned costs to actual costs at regular intervals throughout the project lifecycle. This comparison highlights discrepancies and triggers a deeper investigation into their causes. Effective variance analysis requires a detailed breakdown of costs, categorizing them by project activities, departments, or cost centers, which makes it easier to pinpoint issues. Moreover, variance analysis is not only about identifying problems, but also about recognizing cost-saving opportunities. For instance, it might reveal that certain project activities can be completed with fewer resources than planned, allowing for reallocation of funds to other areas of the project. This proactive approach to financial management can lead to significant improvements in project profitability and efficiency. Furthermore, the insights gained from variance analysis are valuable for future projects. They contribute to a knowledge base that can improve cost estimations and budget planning in subsequent projects. This learning aspect of variance analysis underscores its importance in continuous improvement in project cost management. Risk management is an integral part of cost control in project management. It involves identifying, analyzing, and mitigating risks that could impact the project budget. By proactively managing risks, project managers can avoid or minimize cost overruns and ensure that the project remains financially viable. The first step in integrating risk management into cost control is risk identification. This involves brainstorming potential risks that could affect the project, such as delays in supply chains, unexpected regulatory changes, or labor shortages. These risks are then analyzed to determine their likelihood and potential impact on the project costs. Once risks are identified and analyzed, appropriate risk mitigation strategies are developed. These strategies might include securing multiple suppliers to mitigate the risk of delays, investing in training for project team members to reduce the risk of errors, or implementing more stringent quality controls to avoid costly rework. Each strategy is tailored to the specific risks identified, ensuring that they are effectively addressed. Moreover, risk management and cost control is not a one-time activity, but a continuous process. As the project progresses, new risks may emerge and existing risks may evolve. Regular reviews and updates to the risk management plan are essential to keep it relevant and effective. This dynamic approach to risk management ensures that the project remains resilient to financial uncertainties. In today's digital age, technology plays a crucial role in enhancing the effectiveness of cost control in project management. Various software tools are available that help in budget planning, cost estimation, monitoring, and variance analysis. These tools provide automation, real-time data, and analytical capabilities that significantly improve the accuracy and efficiency of financial management processes. One of the key benefits of using project management software is the integration of various financial management functions. This integration allows for seamless flow of information across budgeting, cost tracking, and reporting processes. It eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors. Moreover, these tools often come with customizable dashboards that provide a comprehensive view of the project's financial status, making it easier for project managers to make informed decisions. Furthermore, advanced tools incorporate predictive analytics, which uses historical data and machine learning algorithms to forecast future cost trends. This capability can be particularly useful in identifying potential cost overruns before they occur, allowing for proactive management of project finances. Additionally, collaboration features in these tools facilitate better communication and coordination among team members, stakeholders, and suppliers. This ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding the project's financial objectives and status, enhancing overall project governance. Investing in the right technology and tools is essential for modern project managers. These digital solutions not only streamline cost management processes, but also provide a strategic advantage in managing complex projects efficiently. The concept of lessons learned is fundamental in the realm of project management, particularly in the context of cost control. It involves the systematic review of project outcomes to identify successes and failures with the aim of improving future project performance. This practice is crucial for continuous improvement in cost management strategies and techniques. The process of capturing lessons learned should occur throughout the project lifecycle, not just at its conclusion. Regular reflection on the effectiveness of cost control measures allows for incremental improvements, which can have a significant impact over the course of the project. It also encourages a culture of learning and adaptation among project team members, fostering a proactive approach to managing project costs. Moreover, the insights gained from lessons learned should be documented and shared across the organization. This knowledge transfer helps in building a repository of best practices and cautionary tales that can guide future projects. It also enhances the organization's overall capability in financial management, contributing to better project outcomes and greater organizational maturity. Furthermore, lessons learned in cost control often highlight the importance of flexibility and adaptability in project management. They show that while rigorous planning and estimation are necessary, the ability to respond to changing conditions and unforeseen challenges is equally important. This balance between planning and adaptability is key to successful project management. As projects continue to grow in complexity and scale, the importance of effective cost control in project management cannot be understated. It is a critical competency that ensures projects are completed within budget, thereby contributing to the financial health and success of organizations. The strategies and tools discussed in this essay provide a framework for mastering cost control, from meticulous budget planning and accurate cost estimation to proactive monitoring and variance analysis. Looking ahead, the future of cost control in project management will likely be shaped by advancements in technology and analytics. These innovations will provide even greater capabilities for predicting, managing, and optimizing project costs. Additionally, the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning could revolutionize the way project costs are managed by automating complex tasks and providing deeper insights into cost drivers. Moreover, the role of project managers will evolve to include a greater emphasis on strategic financial management. They will need to not only oversee project budgets, but also contribute to the broader financial strategy of their organizations. This expanded role will require a deeper understanding of financial principles and a more strategic approach to project management. In conclusion, mastering cost control is essential for any project manager aiming to deliver successful projects. By continually adapting to new tools and techniques and learning from past experiences, project managers can ensure that their projects are not only completed on time and within scope, but also within budget.